You're very, very good at storytelling, and I know that's something that you try and teach on to your clients. How can we utilize storytelling more so within our communication?
One of the best things to do, Colin, is to learn how to tell stories about yourself. If you could tell stories about yourself, then automatically you figure out storytelling in a practical level. And to give you an example of this, I had this one acquaintance who wanted to ask his boss for a promotion. And the first time he ever asked his boss, the boss said no. And my friend was offended and he was thinking, man, what does this boss know anyways? Why am I even working for this guy? I'm much more qualified than him. And he decided that he wasn't going to put all the blame on his boss. It took him some time to realize this, but he realized that he needed to alter his strategy. So the first time that he went asking for the promotion, he was pretty much just overwhelming his boss with a bunch of PowerPoints, a bunch of data, a bunch of statistics on what he does, but there was no narrative behind it. The boss kept thinking, so what? So 2 years later, when he came back to the boss and asked him for a promotion, this time he shared a quick little story about what all these narratives mean and the impact that he's having in the company. But to take it a level further, he said in his story how life would be like if he wasn't an employee in this company. By simply painting that picture for the boss, eventually the boss was able to understand, hey, I need this guy. Okay, not only am I going to give you a promotion, I'm also going to give you a bonus as well. So this is just one of the facets in life where storytelling serves practicality, where humans naturally, we don't like to be swarmed with a bunch of data, facts, charts, etc. Every person that you're speaking to, you should imagine that there's this poster on their forehead that writes, so what? And storytelling addresses that so what perfectly. And that's just how humans are naturally wired to take in information.
Yeah, again, just such a good story, Arman. I absolutely love that.